this week's crumble. Dubai chocolate cookie. She is perfect. Peanut butter and jelly. This cookie is like literally the size of my head. That's the Money Bite. This one is gas. Growing up, were you a grape or a strawberry jelly kind of house? Brown sugar cinnamon featuring Pop-Tart. This is like one of their best cinnamon cookies that they have. I love the crunch of the brown sugar. Strawberry crumb cake cookie. This one is way crunchier than I expected it would be. Strawberry cookies are just never going to be my favorite, but this one is amazing.